Hi guys, it's your girl Nature All by K and I'm so excited to be on here. Guess what? Today I'm going to be talking about weight loss. Yes, because I'm someone who's got it right with weight loss. One way or the other, I used to be way bigger than what I look like right now. Glory to God. But thank God for knowledge, and that's knowledge I want to pass to you guys. So basically, weight loss. Weight loss is a program really, and it doesn't just happen overnight, but it's just good to know the process and to not just knowing the process, you implementing the process, being patient, and then you get to see results. So there are actually 3 hour hacks for weight loss. Number 1, rest. Number 2, reset. Number 3, rebuild. Now, to rest simply means you programming your body and your mind for regeneration. See, guy, first of all, do not be deceived. Rest and weight loss, they complement each other. For every time that I did not sleep right, for every time that my sleeping schedule was just imbalanced, I realized that I started to feel some sort of craving. So when you do not sleep right, your body finds it really hard to regenerate, and then you start to feel tired, you start to feel lazy, and laziness and eating improperly, you just have this synergy. So number 1, rest is 100% important. And guess what? I was reading some time ago that researchers, they've discovered that rest is actually controlled by neurotransmitters. Now, neurotransmitters are like chemical messengers that pass information to neurons, telling them what and what not to do. And they're basically like 2 neurotransmitters that contribute, to our appetite. So they regulate our appetite. One of them, I think ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, it contributes to your hunger, and leptin contributes to you feeling full. So it says that when you do not rest right, when you do not sleep right, actually increases, that thing that now makes you feel like, I need to eat. At the end of the day, you end up not feeling full, and then you have to just eat everything. And it's also been studied that when people do not sleep well, they end up craving for foods that have more calories. So you see the magic to everything. Sleeping should be overemphasized. Resting should be overemphasized. And you should also know that your body is like a computer. It needs to be programmed. You need to have a schedule, and it's really not healthy to sleep at different times. Every time today you may sleep at 10, tomorrow you sleep at 8, next tomorrow you sleep at 1 a.m. No, have a schedule. Sleep right. If you're sleeping 6 hours, 7 hours, if you're sleeping 5 hours, let it be that you're sleeping that 5 hours every day. That means every single day I sleep at 11 p.m. and I wake up at 4 a.m. I'm sleeping 6 hours or 7 hours. Just let it be a schedule. Let your body get accustomed to how you sleep, and then your neurons will stop acting abnormally and you're good to go. So do not be deceived. When you want to lose weight, you must ensure that you have a good rest schedule, and it helps your mind as well. When you don't sleep well, you wake up feeling tired. That's when people now start telling you that, I have mood swings here and there because I didn't sleep well. I'm not just in the mood to work, I'm not just in the mood to do this, I just want to lay in bed and eat all day because I didn't have a good sleep. It just, one way or the other, it just makes you feel, it doesn't just make you feel like 100, you get. So number 2 is reset. Now this has to do with knowledge as well. When you're done watching this video, please do well to go and research on everything I've said so far. So number 2, reset. Now this has to do with you intentionally acquiring knowledge, what you should eat and what you should not eat. Now reset and metabolism, now in this context of weight loss, have a lot to do with each other. So what is metabolism? Really your body just breaking down food to create energy and stuff. So now you need to look for foods that increase your metabolism. Do you understand? So that all the foods you eat can be properly broken down fats broken down, everything broken down. So you need to know the foods to eat. You need to know when to eat and when not to eat, right? So you can, when you acquire knowledge on this, you know that, oh, in the morning, if means I used to love to eat spaghetti and all these heavy food, spaghetti, chicken. When you get knowledge, you could just say, okay, I want to reset my eating habits, and instead of me eating this and this in the morning, I'd rather just have a cup of tea, a cup of herbal tea, or rather not even eat at all. I'll just drink water. In the afternoon, I'll have a particular portion of carbohydrates, a particular portion of protein, a particular portion of vegetables, and all of that, just to give you a balanced diet. You know what time you should eat and you shouldn't eat, right? If you say that, oh, I do not want to eat, because of my weight loss, I'd rather not eat at this particular time, so everything I'm doing should be between 12 p.m. and 7 p.m. or 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. You're good to go. So that's basically you having to reset your eating program and your eating habits. So you might decide that, oh, I do not want to eat in large portions anymore. I want to be eating in small portions, and because I want to be eating in small portions, I must get foods that are low in calories, and I can end up eating like 4 or 5 times, knowing that these foods I eat are low in calories and stuff. These are the things that I did that helped me lose weight. Number 3 is rebuild. Now, rebuilding simply means having to engage your body, right? So number 1 way to engage your body is increasing physical activities. Do not just sit in the same place like all day. Ensure that you have times where you can really take a stroll. Don't be scared. I know that the social media is filled with people doing strength training, carrying weights, going to the gym. You do it in your little way and just be consistent. Consistency is what gives power to your habits, gives power and results to your habits, gives power and results to things that you do, right? So you can, at your own pace. Like me, I do not go to the gym. I do everything in my house. I started that thing and then I couldn't continue, and so I'm like, okay, let me just stick to a program that works for me. So back to what I was saying, rebuilding is actually increasing the activities you do for your body. So you can increase your activities by taking long strolls. You can download apps on your phone that help you count your steps. So you can decide to take like 3,000 to 5,000 steps per day, or just at your own pace, something that you can do every day, and then incorporate cardio workouts, and then you'd finally graduate into strength training. You can just get dumbbells at home or Pilates. You can get people on YouTube who encourage you to work out. Just ensure that you are engaging your body. Now this helps your metabolism as well. So you see, number 2, reset, number 3, rebuild. They work hand in hand together to give you that result. So do not think that weight loss is something that just seems like a fairy tale. No, it's actually very achievable. I told you again that it is 100% guided by knowledge. So you need to know what to do to get the results. So even as you've listened to everything I've said, it's wise for you to go back and do your research and ensure that you create a plan for yourself, or plan your rest, plan the food you eat, plan your workout, or plan those physical activities you will do to help you lose, to burn some of these calories. So that's that for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do well to like, to subscribe, to put a comment. If you have questions, you can put those questions in the comment and I'll probably reply them with a video, talking about your concerns. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.